I want girl like her, always talking about some work. When she put me on the gram, everybody got hurt. But I fucked up now, when a nigga feel hurt. Now she carry me now like a motherfucker. Plus you know I want you, girl.
Alright, so look. Today, I am doing my eyebrows for you. I guess you could call this a tutorial. I've never done a tutorial before as far as like involving makeup. So, let's just hope this works out for the best. Alright, I'm back. And I popped in my contacts so I can see better. And I have a little mirror over here. So when you see me looking in the mirror, overlooking this way, that's why I'm in the mirror, okay? So, let me tell you first and foremost the things you will need. And I believe in using less because I'm lazy. So, first I have this brush. It is a angled liner with the spoolie, and I got this from Sephora, and I got it like in this little what's it called, like a little pouch thing, like a whole brush set. So this is one of the things that came with, because you're going to use this, blah, and you're going to be using this, boom, right? I also have a flathead brush. I probably should have cleaned these, but it's okay, we're gonna kick on. And this also has another spoolie at the end in the event that I already have product on this one and I don't want to get it on this one, or whatever the case may be, because people weird like that. I'm not, but some people are. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia dip brow pomade in the color dark brown. And then I also, for when I like, line up my eyebrows with the concealer or whatever. I have foundation because I can't find my concealer at the moment, but it's okay, we'll worry about that when we get there, right? Okay, so first and foremost, I like to take the spoolie and brush my eyebrows, even though I ain't got none for real. I need them. I need to get them to grow thicker because I like when they're thicker and I have to do less work, because like I said before, I'm lazy first. So I'm gonna sit here, brush them out, both, boom. Then I'm gonna take the spoolie on the end of the one from Sephora, and I'm gonna dip it in the pomade, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start filling in my brows. I'm gonna start and take this, and I'm just gonna start to fill in the end. And I like my brows dark. I don't know if some of y'all don't, but I do. I'm gonna start to fill in the tail, and I'm gonna extend it a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna start working my way up. Take the spoolie and kind of brush that out. So that's how we're looking right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. I'm funny. Okay. I look crazy right now, but I'm gonna get it together, I promise. Okay, so I finished filling them in. I know they look uneven right now. I'm gonna fix that. Thanks. So first and foremost, I would like to say that I'm about to go ahead and clean up on my brows with you know, my flat. I don't know what these brushes. I'm not good with brush names, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start to, like, you know, clean them up. And usually I would use LA Girl Pro Concealer, but I lost mine, so I gotta get a new tube. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be using the Clinique Stay Matte Oil Free foundation that I usually use. Well, I was gonna use my Fenty Beauty, but nah, that's the good stuff. Shit, you can't do such. You can't do no. So I'm gonna use this. So what I like to do is I like to put like a little dab on the back of my hand, right? You know, just like this, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and dip my brush in here like this. That's probably a little bit too much, yeah. Like this, okay? And then I'm gonna start to clean them up. I'm just blending out this right here so I don't have a unibrow. Okay. Okay. And just to make sure. All right. All right. Why was that lighting looking like that? But this is the finished product. Okay. So, like I said, I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown. I went ahead and used my Clinique foundation to go ahead and, you know, clean up my brows. And then for the brushes that I used, I went ahead and used this spoolie with the what is this? It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills and the brush 20. That's what it says, 20. And I also used for my dip brow this Sephora brush that's like an angle liner with the spoolie at the end as well. So get you that, sis. Like I said, they're not twins, but they're mine. Okay, and then I also just went ahead and used this regular Sephora brush. I don't know what type of brush this is. Oh, a complexion brush, whatever that means. Boom. I guess that's like another thing as like a foundation brush, I'm guessing. I don't know. But I went ahead and used this to blend out. And that's how I got these bomb eyebrows on my face. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video on my tutorial on how to do my brows. Thank you. Thank you. I would like to say that I think I really did a good job with these today, because sometimes I ain't gonna hold you up. In my opinion, that I be looking kind of like, what you doing, sis? What you doing? But today I'm looking like, who am I feeling like? All right. But yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video today. And I also want to ask you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be a lot more consistent with posting videos. I just have to figure out what I'm about to do, but it's okay because I'm going to get it together. I mean, you know what? Who wouldn't want to get it together, right? Right? So, like I said, thanks again for watching. Comment down, subscribe, whatever you guys like to see. If you just like my personality, thank you. I like you too. All right, and I will see you guys again with my next video. Bye.